In this video, I will show you how to log in to Deepseek AI and start using it. Let's get started. First, we begin on the main Deepseek AI login page. I'll click inside the field labeled phone number or email address. Once the cursor is active, I'll carefully type in my email address, which is dianeevvv@gmail.com, making sure not to make any typos. After entering my email, I'll click on the password field directly below it. Next, I'll go ahead and type in my secure password into the field. If I want to double-check my entry, I can click the small eye icon next to the field to reveal the password text temporarily. Once both my email address and password are typed incorrectly, I'll click the blue login button at the bottom of the sign-in panel. After a brief moment, the system successfully authenticates my credentials and redirects me to the main Deepseek user dashboard. Now that I'm logged in, I'll take a look at the interface. On the left side, there is a navigation panel that shows my account details and history. If I want to maximize my workspace, I can click on the toggle icon at the top left to hide this sidebar. To show it again, I just click the same icon. Right in the center, there is a large input box that says Message Deepseek. I'll click inside this field to start typing a question or a prompt. For this demonstration, I'll ask, explain why people procrastinate and give me practical ways to overcome it. After I finish typing out my entire query, I'll click the blue send button on the right side of the input box to submit it. The AI immediately starts processing my request. Within seconds, Deepseek begins generating a highly detailed, structured response right on the screen. It starts by defining the psychological reasons behind procrastination, explaining how it is often an emotional regulation problem rather than just poor time management. It breaks down key concepts like temporal discounting, task aversion, perfectionism, low self-efficacy, and lack of structure. As I scroll down the page, I can read through the practical solutions it suggests. These include actionable advice like the 5-minute rule, parking on a downhill slope, breaking large projects into micro-tasks, implementing if-then planning, choosing between the worst first or quick win strategies, removing digital distractions, and practicing self-compassion. At the very end, it even provides a simple, structured ultimate daily fix routine that I can easily apply to my life today. And that is how you log in to Deepseek AI and start using it for your daily tasks. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.